Hi flower friends! It's fall here in New England and it is a fabulous time of year between the orchards that are bursting with fruit and the farm stands of fabulous sunflowers and pumpkins. It's great to spend some time outside enjoying the season. Now, I'm not above enjoying a pumpkin spice latte every now and then, but today I have something even better. Now, how cute is this little pumpkin? I'm going to fill it with some beautiful fresh flowers. It would be a great centerpiece for your table or even make as a gift for your favorite teacher. Keep watching and I'll show you how to make it. Now, before we start the tutorial, I'm going to ask you to take a minute to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell down below so that you'll always see my latest videos. Now, you can design flowers in pretty much any type of vessel that will hold water, including a fresh pumpkin. If you decide to go that route, my suggestion is to clean the pumpkin completely with a mild solution of bleach and water, and then rub a thin coat of vegetable oil over the skin. Not only will it give it a sheen, but it also protects the exposed skin of the pumpkin to keep it from getting dehydrated too quickly. After the pumpkin is prepped, take a disposable cup, trim it to size, and then set that inside your pumpkin to hold the water. Now today I'm going the easy route and I'm using the small ceramic pumpkin vase. Now I fitted some flower foam inside to help with the design process. Now for a fun little texture, I actually have these cute little turkey feathers that I'm going to add in. You could add pampas grass like this. Dried pine cones and pods are also great. Don't be afraid to forage a bit in your yard for some unique things. I'm also going to add this locally grown rust-colored sorghum. Inside the pumpkin, we have Oasis, which is basically a flower foam. It also has water that has been mixed with flower food in it. I have a 1/4 inch florist tape here, and this is the waterproof type. And what I'm doing is I'm stretching that over the lip of the vase and the Oasis, and that simply helps hold everything in place. This is particularly important if you're going to be transporting the centerpiece or giving it to someone so that the flowers don't shift. Those are turkey feathers that I found in my yard, and what I'm doing is I'm trimming them down to size so that when I insert them into the foam, the quill part will be a little bit sharper. That next product is called sorghum, and it's kind of a brownish red color. It's really neat, and it almost looks like it has little seeds or balls on it, and it gives just a great texture to the arrangement. Now this design is going to take 2 beautiful bright yellow sunflowers. Those are beautiful orangey red gerberas, and those are round focal flowers, and I'm actually going to put those together, so it's almost like terracing one right over the other. The next item that's going in are those beautiful orangey red roses. Now those are great for working with flower foam because the stem is very strong and straight. Now occasionally you'll get a rose that has a couple petals on the outside that don't look good, the guard petals, or maybe there's a little bit of damage to it. Simply just remove those and the rose will still be beautiful. The next item to go in are those yellowish alstroemeria, and those are great because they do last a long time and give a little bit of fullness and body to the arrangement. I always suggest that you remove as many of those outer leaves as you possibly can because they tend to wilt.
One of the most popular grasses that we've seen in the last year or two is called pampas grass. Because pampas grass comes on a very long stalk, it would be unwieldy to use that in the arrangement. So what you do is you just pull off a few of the strands, and then you create a fake stem so that you can insert it into a shorter, smaller arrangement. If you find that your pampas grass sheds excessively, what you can do is lightly spray it with a non-scented hairspray. At this point, all you're doing is looking for small gaps in the arrangement, filling it with line flowers or round flowers, and then just making sure it looks beautiful from every angle. This next product is called Bruscus, and it's great to fill in any gaps that you might have.
And there you have it, a perfect, easy fall centerpiece. If you end up designing this, please tag me on Instagram with your photos at Elegant Flower Shop MA.